This is a new 2015 Ford F450 chassis cab. It's powered by four-wheel drive, 10-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, a passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. Gorno Brothers Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 22025 Allen Road, Woodhaven, Michigan 48183.